Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session, I will share a tutorial on how to access Hikvision DVR remotely using a computer. To do this, you need an application called ivms 4200. First, please open the ivms 4200 application and then log in with the username and password you created during the initial installation of the ivms 4200 application. After successful login, please select the Device Management menu. To add a device, we will not use an online device like this because online devices can only be accessed locally. So, when you take your laptop out of the network, you usually won't be able to access it anymore. That's not what I want to show you. Instead, please click on Not Login, then click Yes. Next, please log in with the same account you use for your Hik Connect application. Make sure you have added the device to your Hik Connect application. Then, please enter your Hik Connect account username and password, and click Login. If successful, you will see a list of devices like this, and the status will show as online. To access it, please go to the control panel again, then select Main View. To view it, simply drag and drop the desired camera from the list. If prompted for a stream key, please enter the verification code found in the Platform Access menu of your Hikvision DVR. If you don't know how to find the verification code, please check the link in the video description. There will be a specific video explaining how to find the stream key or verification code. Once you have obtained it, please input the stream key and click OK to confirm. Congratulations! You have successfully added or viewed the Hikvision DVR using ivms 4200 on your computer remotely. If you want to add more, simply drag and drop them. That's it. That's how you can access Hikvision DVR remotely using a computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.